Be nice. Don't slap Jackie. It scares him. That's it. Be nice. Be gentle. Are you being gentle to Jack Jack? Ooh, Padron's backing up. Troll. I guess that is mean. Good old macaroni. Good old macaroni. What's Doodle doing? That's Jack Jack. You don't want no petting. You done? Does he like it when you pet him? Are you a good petter? Does Seven see you? Say, hey Seven, here I am. Hi Pickle Pickle. She thinks it's amazing that you're riding a donkey too. Does everybody need to ride a donkey? Yeah? One off? Seven's eating some grass, her belly hurts. You ready? Okay.